Assalamu alaikum, welcome to all of you to today's talk show about Hazrat Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai. My first question is from brother Faizan. What is the message of Shah Latif's poetry?
Thank you very much, brother. The message of Shah Latif's poetry is love and peace. Shah Latif wants to see people living in peaceful life, and this object can only be achieved by love.
Now we are turning to brother Akib. What do you think where from Shah Latif's ancestors migrated to?
There are different opinions of the historians about it, but most of them are of the view that they migrated from the area of Afghanistan.
Dear brother Ali Naki, can you throw some light on their migration? Why do you think they migrated to?
Yes, brother. Well, actually, like the ancestor place of Shah Latif, the students of them also opinion that they were religious-minded people. So when they reached Sindh, they made Sindh their home. Sindh then was the center of Islamic culture.
Do you believe, brother Rashid, that Shah Latif was intelligent?
Yes, brother. Yes, I believe it. You are entirely self-educated because almost all the historians are of this opinion.
Yes, brother Rafiullah, what about his message? Do you believe that his messages are still acceptable and applicable?
Thank you, brother. Yes, certainly his message is universal because his message is for all time, because his message is a message of love and humanity, and both things will always remain the part of our society.
Thank you, everyone.